always good. Okay, so we're looking at the... I'm making a recording, so this is for you and I. You're going to have updated. Now we are doing these and not VHS tapes. So.
We only use VHS here.
Okay, let me go get a whole new system and get you set up here. So we are 2811 West Crockett here. I'm standing with the homeowner. We're about 130 feet out or so from the clean out here in the basement of the home, looking at the Seattle City Main sewer. So from this point back, you own this whole sewer. Even under the road, under the sidewalk, it is still your sewer line. So as we come back here from the main, city takes over at that point. We're coming back into 6-inch diameter clay piping out under the street. I think it runs out to Crockett here, doesn't it?
Yeah. So I believe.
I had the map pulled up there. So there's the city stub. We come back now into this 6-inch diameter clay. There's a seam about every 2 feet in the pipe, 2-foot sections all the way down.
Great.
Seams are the weak spots. Seams are where the roots come in. Seams are where the pipe shifts. And seams are where generally collapse will happen eventually. But on the run out here, yours is pretty damn clean. So hard to nitpick too much about this thing. I was running a little bit of water, so the fact there's a little water in the line is not all that surprising. This is the bottom as we come back. So we're coming back, probably getting closer to the sidewalk area now. Parking strip. Yep, right there. So we come back on property at this point. You got... I never zeroed it out, but we were at 130, so 30 feet-ish of 6-inch diameter pipe out to the city main coming back. Now we're on your property. We're coming back into 4-inch diameter, so...
Oh, it gets smaller.
Smaller on property. It's just a code thing in the way they built it. Still seam about every 2 feet. See them here. This is running kind of parallel with the west side of the house, I believe.
It's, the west side, right? Yep. Totally, yeah.
Minor amount of root coming into the top of that seam. That was kind of, I think, the worst one I saw out of all of them.
And is that something you could actually, theoretically, do something about at some point? Or?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. Again, there, so... Yeah. In order for it to ever cause a blockage of the system, it's got to grow all the way over it and start stopping toilet paper, because your toilet paper and your solid waste are running along the bottom. So the roots got to get completely engulf the pipe before you are.
So do you recommend having you come back and do a root thing, or is it not enough yet?
Not even enough there to warrant that. I mean, the root. That cable machine just goes around and flops down it, and it'll catch on the big ones. But if it just goes, see one of those little ones, it just flops right by it. Clean that out. Here is a turn.
Yep, that's probably going that way now.
Yep, we're around the corner, coming around that back corner. I have a map pulled up here so you can kind of follow along. 2811. So we are now on this back side. We're coming along the back side of the house there. So there's that 90-degree turn at the corner of the house. We're going to hit one more 90-degree turn that's going to shoot us back into the house any second now.
How close is it to the house? Like the one that's going like...
Oh, so they're right at the corner. I mean, they're pretty damn close to the foundation. It's right off of the... And then back around the final 90-degree turn. So this is the one that pokes out of the back of the house. And then we'll come back into cast iron pipe. There is the cast iron. It's the same material.
Oh, there we are.
This stuff. And we should come right back up out of this clean out any second here.
So this... Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Recording's for me and you, so if you don't have questions, but you might end up... Yeah. We'll finish it off. Here is the clean out we're making this recording from down here in the basement. I'm going to end the video there.